Geberit has more than 60 years' experience in the field of concealed cisterns and is constantly doing research and improving its products. What makes a Geberit cistern so special? The cisterns are manufactured from a single piece using a blow molding process. This means that the PE is getting heated, blown up like a balloon, and pressed into its form. This makes the cistern extremely durable, robust, and absolutely leak-proof. There is no seam, and the cones inside give the cistern extra stability. Therefore, it's very hard to squeeze and deform the cistern. The stability of the cistern is remarkable. It would really take a lot to damage the cistern. The stability and durability make the Geberit cistern a highly sustainable product, as it is lasting for decades. Geberit guarantees 50 years spare parts availability on all replaceable mechanical parts of the concealed cistern. Even the first cisterns that have been installed more than 55 years ago are still serviceable and usable. If it needs to be replaced one day, the material can be almost completely recycled. What cistern type should you choose for your project? A Duofix or a Combifix? This really depends on how you are building. A Geberit Duofix is the ideal cistern for a drywall construction. A Combifix is optimized for a brick wall construction. A major advantage of a drywall construction is the reduction of sound. Due to the decoupling of the cistern from the solid wall, the best possible sound reduction can be achieved. If a cistern is bricked in, the sound will be transferred directly to the wall and therefore increased. Other advantages of a drywall construction include flexibility in design, the avoidance of weakening walls, faster and cleaner construction, and the possibility of less costly renovations. A drywall construction is also ideal for prefabrication and could therefore be prepared more efficiently and installed even faster. Should you have a brick wall construction, you should opt for a Geberit Combifix. It is either screwed to the wall and bricked in, or it can be integrated in a wall. The space for the cistern is left out, and the Combifix is placed into its spot. The cladding follows as usual. But which cistern thickness is the right one for your project? Geberit offers the ideal solution for every building situation. The standard 12 cm cistern suits most installation habits around the world. A 12 cm cistern is generally used for average walls. The DN100 drain pipes must be considered in the planning. The 12 cm Combifix cisterns take into account that you have this space inside the wall. No matter how you install the waste pipes, 12 cm inside the wall is enough. For an installation of the 12 cm Geberit Duofix, you need to plan more space due to the installation frame. Vertically connected 13.5 cm and horizontally 15.5 cm. For narrow walls, Geberit offers you the 8 cm cistern solution. But here too, the thickness of the drain pipe is relevant to the final wall thickness. With an 8 cm cistern, you can only save space inside the wall when the drainage is going straight down in a vertical drainage connection. 9 cm within the wall is the absolute best case. When you have a horizontal drainage connection in which the pipes are led to the side, you need at least 11.5 cm within the wall. For an installation of the 8 cm Geberit Duofix, you need to plan more space due to the installation frame. Vertically connected 9 cm and horizontally 15.5 cm. There are many reasons to choose a 12 cm cistern. They're equipped with the latest flushing technology with reduced noise level and flexible flush volume settings. With a 12 cm cistern, you also have the freedom to choose from standard or low installation height and top or front operation. On top of that, they're offering the best-in-class serviceability. To finish off your bathroom installation, Geberit offers the biggest choice of actuator plates. You can choose from more than 170 different design options. There is an actuator for every taste and need. Top actuation is possible, or touchless actuation. An ambient light can help you find your way at night if you wish. And there is also a function available to filter the smelly air directly from your WC ceramic. And finally, you can customize your actuator to almost every design that you wish. This widens your choice literally to endless possibilities. You either let the actuator pop and stand out, or you integrate it discreetly in the wall design. The concealed cisterns are the perfect match for the Geberit wall-hung ceramics. Choose from a wide range of designs. So, whichever option you go for, whatever project you're working on, and whatever your needs are, should you have a drywall construction or a brick wall installation, the Geberit consultants are happy to help you find the perfect match for your bathroom project.